G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 20th of the 4th, 2016, and it is 10:30 in the morning. Now, I just got back from doing the video of the lake, and I slowly came along here and came across these birds feeding. This one's having a bit of a tucker here. I'm no more than, 10 feet away from this bird. And zoomed in halfway there. It knows I'm here, but doesn't seem to be afraid of me, which is good. I wanted to go a bit further across there, but I have a feeling these two over here would have a bit of a problem with that, because they might scatter if I move. And there was a magpie around too. We'll go back to this one so we can get a nice clear shot of this one here. That one didn't like him stealing the tucker. Poor little birdie. There he is in the tree, right there. Let's see if we can get a zoom. Close up. Oh, he's going to move too far away, so let's zoom into here. See, now he's not on the edge of that thing, which is annoying. And the other one, he's going to try and get the other bird feeder or not. Typical magpie. Comes in and spoils everything. Oh, well, on that note, he's happy getting away there. I like that the magpie gets a true reward and the other one goes back to the feeding. I think that bird bath paid for itself. He's thinking about going back there, I think. Yep, just knew it. This one got back to this bird feeder. Wonder if that one will share it. Nope. This one doesn't want to share. Well, I'll sit here and watch these all day, but I've got other things to do. My name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. That's a surprise before I head off. This is the one I wasn't expecting this one to actually get some food. because the red ones, there's more, the complete red ones there. Oh well, quickly zoom into this one if we can get a good shot. Oh well, we'll let them all feed and have fun. You all have a great day now. Thank you again for watching my videos.